Hey, my name is Jeff, and today I'm going to be your drawing coach. I'm going to show you guys how to draw using basic shapes. Alright guys, it's your drawing coach Jeff. Now, what I'm going to show you here is how to draw a simple cup. I'm going to have you use some basic shapes to construct this cup on paper. So grab your pencil and your pad and let's get drawing. Alright guys, we are going to use basic shapes to draw the cup. Now, what I want you guys to start out with is an oval shape. I want you to try to draw an oval shape the best way you can. And once you've gotten this oval shape down, we are going to focus on the overall shape of the cup by drawing two lines from both sides of the cup. You want to try to shape the cup as you see it. Now, I'm just showing you these angles here because it's going to help you understand how to angle your lines or shape. Now, I'm drawing a pretty much square or a rectangle of a cup. So my lines are going to be straight down from each side. So right now you should be having something like that on your paper. Now, using basic shapes is going to help you break down each part of your object. Now, for the bottom part, you want to do the same thing as you did to the top. You want to try to connect each ends of that oval to those lines. And it's okay if you go out of the line area, because we can come back in and fix that. Now, one thing I didn't tell you, you always want to draw lightly. You don't want to really draw too hard on your paper because you won't be able to clean up your mistakes later on. So now, at this stage, you should have something similar to this. Now that we've gotten our shape on the paper, we're going to add the final piece to our cup. We're going to draw a circle for the handle. Just like so. This circle is considered a basic shape. The oval is considered a basic shape. Now, lines are included in using along with the basic shapes to form your subject. So now, once we've gotten our circle created, we want to go ahead and look at the thickness of that handle. If you can, go ahead and draw another circle around the one that you just drawn. Now, if you drew the first circle pretty big, go on the inside and try to mimic the thickness of the handle. with another circle, like so. Now, on the outside, you can do the same thing. And on the inside, you should have something similar to this. Now, right now, things are not going to look totally the same as the cup right now because we're just trying to learn how to use basic shapes to form something. We're just looking at building a foundation with basic shapes. So now that you have learned how to use a couple of simple basic shapes to draw, we're going to continue looking at other objects using the oval and the circle to draw them. And also don't forget the lines. Okay, so there you have it, a simple cup using basic shape. You want to learn how to use the oval and the circle along with lines to form your shapes. I'm Drawing Coach Jeff. Thank you for letting me be your drawing coach. Well, I hope you enjoyed the little lesson on using basic shapes.